Hello, my name is Michael Yates, and this is my assignment 3 for ETEC 565M, entitled Standardized Data Collection. So first I want to set the stage of what I believe the future of mobile education will be. I think a lot of the assessment data we collect will be done on mobile devices, and I don't think we're going to be confined by applications. I think what's going to happen is we will be mostly using websites. So I believe the main issue will be how we can collect data from multiple websites, because I don't think we're going to be bound to applications anymore. I think it's going to be a more open environment where we can embed content in other things, i.e. a rich HTML environment. So what that means is the following will happen. So initially what we need to do is we need to standardize class list data, because yes, we want to create these rich experiences for students using mobile technology, but we need to assess them. We need to know if it's working, and luckily these websites and other things will be easy for us to get that data, but will it be easy for us to analyze it? So the first step, standardize that class list data. If I go to 3 different websites, I may have to create 3 different class lists in those websites. Now, some of these websites are finally using Google Classrooms, and you're able to import Google Classrooms into them. So maybe that's the answer right there. But who knows? Let's see. Now, phase 2, like again, what I mentioned was you've got 3 different or four different, it matters how many of these websites you're using as a teacher. So maybe I have 3 different formative assessment websites. What I am proposing is we need to find some kind of data mining middleware that will talk to these different websites and put it in a centralized place. So what am I thinking? A virtual mark sheet. Now, is that going to be done on a Google Sheet, or maybe a Excel file on a SharePoint or cloud somewhere? Who knows? That's what I'm thinking. So let's give an example. This might be easier. So we've got our students, and we've got 3 different websites with 3 different assessments on it. So what I'm looking at is I want a piece of software or a middleware that takes the data that I'm getting from, say, a Go Formative website assessment and puts it straight into my mark sheet. Then I do a Write Lab assessment. It doesn't matter the format because I can alter it afterwards. It doesn't matter the weight of the assessment or what have you, or if it's in numbers or percentages. And then that puts it in my mark sheet. And then maybe I have a read theory where I have to generate Lexile scores for my students, and that will also go into my virtual mark sheet. So will this be some sort of experience API? Because I'm not only talking about those schools or systems that are wealthy enough to have purchased a LMS, because obviously a LMS isn't just online anymore. It's going to be used for classroom teachers as well. Or is it just going to be a simple browser plugin, like an extension to Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge? So this is my forecasting. I want something that is going to basically talk to any number of different websites and put my students' data in one place. Once it's in one place, then the whole process of putting it into the big data type thing is easy, because it's going to be in a standardized database table somewhere. Then you just send it out to wherever it wants to go. But I need a way for it to get from various different websites into that one place. And that is all. Thank you very much.